Good morning, students. In last class, we had discussed about how to create a new spreadsheet and how to save that spreadsheet and how to open the existing spreadsheet. And in this class, we will discuss about some of the important icons in Home tab. Some of the important icons in Home tab. So first, what are the tabs in MS Excel? What are the tabs in Microsoft Excel? First one is Home tab. First one is Home tab. Second one is Insert tab. Third one is Page layout. Fourth one is Formulas. Fifth one is Data. Sixth one is Review. And the seventh one is View. So there are 7 tabs. First one is Home tab, next one is Insert tab, next one is Page layout tab, and then Formulas tab, Data tab, Review tab, and then View tab. And we will discuss about Home tab. Today we will discuss about Home tab. In Home tab, you have the first option as Clipboard. Clipboard. Okay. In that you can see cut, copy, and then paste. Cut, copy, and then paste. So the first one is cut. The icon for cut is a scissor like symbol. This is the icon for cut. Or else you can use the short key as Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X. For example, here Ram is a good boy. I am writing Ram is a good boy. If I need to cut this text, first I need to select the sentence. Or else first I am here going to cut this good. So first I need to select the good and then I need to click this icon, or else I will use Ctrl plus X, the shortcut. So it will become Ram is a boy because I cut this good. Am I right? Yes. The second one is copy. So the icon for copy is this is the icon for copy. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus C. Yes, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus C. Here also the same example. Ram is a good boy. So it can make a copy of the same word or a sentence. It can make a copy of a single letter or a same word or the same sentence. For example, if I am taking the copy of good, so if I need to paste it on some other places, so here the paste. The icon for paste is this is the icon for paste. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus P. So if I need to paste this good, so first I need to select that good and then use this icon, or else I will click the shortcut key as Ctrl plus C. And then if I need to paste this on some other places, so first I need to keep the cursor in that place. And then I will click this paste icon, or else I will use the Ctrl plus V. And then if I use this icon, or else I will use this Ctrl plus V shortcut key. Then it will make a paste of good. Okay. It is a duplicate copy. And then after that clipboard, you have bold. bold. Okay, bold option. The icon for bold is this is the icon for bold. It is used to highlight the text. It is used to highlight the text and make the text as very bold. I mean, it looks like very dark. It looks like very dark. For example, if I am writing here boy, and the shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B, and the shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. So first I need to select this word and then I will click this icon, or else I will give the shortcut key as Ctrl plus B. Then it will change into, the text will become very bold. The text will become very bold. Okay. The shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B. Second one is italic. Here the icon for italic is, this is the icon for italic. So the shortcut key for italic is Ctrl plus I. The shortcut key for italic is Ctrl plus I. Example, I am taking the same example as boy, and I will select that word and then I will click the italic option, or I will give the Ctrl plus I, the shortcut key. So it will change into like this. It will change into like this. Okay. And the third one is underline. Here the icon for underline is, this is the icon for underline. Here we can use the short key as Ctrl plus U. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus U. For example, I am taking the same word as boy and I will select this word and I will click this icon, or I will give the shortcut key Ctrl plus U. Then it will change into, okay, this bold, italic, underline are used for highlighting the text. Bold, italic and underline are used for highlighting the text. And then font style. We all know that everyone have different handwriting. Like that, in font style there are so many types of fonts. Okay. And the standard font is Times New Roman. Other than this, Comic Sans, MS, Chiller, like this, there are so many options in font style, and it is arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, so we can search it very easily. You can choose any of the font style and apply to your paragraph or a word or a sentence. Okay, and then the next one is font size. The icon for font size is, and font style, you can see the icon like this. Okay, when you click this drop down list box, then there came a sub list. You can select your fonts, and then this is the font size. When you click this icon, it will display up to 72. The size up to 72. You can select any of the size and you can apply to your heading or a word or a sentence. Mainly we give the bigger headings for bigger headings for bigger sizes for headings or the important texts. We will give the important headings as in larger size. We give the important headings in larger size and also for the important text. Okay, and then the next one is text color. Next one is text color. So this is the icon for text color. This is the icon for text color. When you click this arrow mark, then you can see different types of colors will apply. When you choose any of the color and then apply to your text. For example, here I am selecting as Ram is a boy. So I need to select this word and then I click this drop down box. There came a list of colors and I am choosing the black color. Then it will change into Ram is a boy. Okay, this is very easy method. These are all very easy method. Okay, so what is the shortcut key for cut? Ctrl plus X. Shortcut key for copy? Ctrl plus C. Paste is Ctrl plus V. For bold, Ctrl plus B. Italic is Ctrl plus I. And underline is Ctrl plus U. Okay. And then we use larger fonts for headings or the important texts. We use larger fonts for headings or the important texts. And we will apply the standard font style is Times New Roman. The standard font style is Times New Roman because it looks like very professional. So we are using Times New Roman. Okay. Thank you.